Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The Mad Scientist here. Hey, just wanted to give you a quick rundown. In this video I've got coming up, we are doing a quench tank. That we did for my cousin, who is very, very skilled with making knives and blades. It's L Harding Knives on Instagram. Check him out. Kid's talented. He's got some skills. I believe he's getting into swords and all sorts of stuff. Really cool stuff. We made him a quench tank. Taking you along on that journey with us. We're going to chop this up. It should be a pretty cool process. So, start with this bad boy. We're going to get it marked up and get it going. Just a little cleanup and we're done. guys, we just finished up this really cool tank. Basically, it's filled with a special oil, and my brother heats up blades and forges them into whatever shape he wants, and then he'll stick them in here to quench it. So, pretty cool little quenching tank. So, you'll notice that I filmed this video outside. One thing I've noticed is that a lot of people will ask me, to teach them about my welds, or to teach them how to weld, the way I do. The trick to it is basically what I've learned is when I learned to weld, I learned in the most uncomfortable positions, places, and I've heard multiple times you need to learn, you need to be comfortable, and I agree with that 100%. But if you teach yourself in a completely uncomfortable position, when you do get yourself in a comfortable position, you're way better at it. So you'll see in the video, all of this was done outside. None of it was done on a weld table. It's all in the dirt. It's all on the ground. Just wanted to show you guys that you do not need the best of the best to get it done. You just need to believe in yourself and chase your dream. So now that we've got this finished up, he's going to come pick it up, fill it with oil, and get a little bit of video of him quenching some blades in it. So it should be pretty cool. He is on Instagram as L Harding Knives. Check him out. Give him a follow. The kid is extremely talented. He forges everything. He shapes it, molds it, and then quenches it. And then he also does like the handles, and he does the sheaths for them that they're stored in. So it's pretty cool. Give him a follow. It's Logan Harding Knives. And if you like this video, make sure you give us a follow and smash that like button so that we can keep these videos going. Thanks, guys. That's it.
Wow!